crossing. Warriors. Glorious, victorious. Glorious, victorious. Warriors, you know we doing this. These warriors. Coming to build an empire of positive energy and infinite dreams, all you can desire. Chase anything you want, don't listen to the people, they is liars. They putting you down, they boss, I'm telling you, these niggas wires. These niggas wires. Csteph and Cream, we is not liars. We is the youth, 17 years old, you know that we steady up in the booth. Time to speak the truth. You know that my niggas really rhyming, we just let loose. No duck the goose, you know that my niggas really trying to get it before we get hung on the fucking noose. For speaking the truth, having the black skin and the fucking USA, fuck do you know? You just don't know us, but you know that we gotta make it every day through these damn streets and they try to put us down. This is the USA, but we will get the crown. Oh, we're well aware, stupid nigga, you is looking at us like we're in despair because of our color. Because of our color, because of where we come from the gutter, single mothers. But you know I'm with my fucking brothers. Me and my nigga creep like no other.
Damn, growing up single mother. My nigga Csteph is my fucking brother. And this is nigga from another mother, but you know we is getting there. We're from the gutters, we gonna make it to the end of time. Nothing you say, it cannot stop. Yeah, what we will make, our fucking creation is going to devastate. Yeah, you know that this is fate. Yeah, damn, there is no mistake. We is gonna get it. We is gonna stab you with that stake, man. Leave you in the fucking lake, man. Cause yeah, we is gonna leave your ass in the lake if you talk and disrespect. We don't take no disrespect, gathering these checks on you niggas, you know you Joseph Beck. I don't care, my niggas rap and get these fucking wrecking. We get to fucking wrecking. Nobody ever be fucking stepping to crossing. Damn, my niggas clean and we flossing. Damn, you know we is using Listerine, cause all of our items is pristine, man. Fuck what you mean, yeah, we fuck up the scene. Damn, you know how it go, man. You know how it go, yo. You know, bro, that my life is one life. YOLO, I will get it no matter what, even if it's solo. Like I'm haunted, my niggas gonna get it, yeah. Go, let's fucking Muhammad Ali, cause we fucking beat it up. Yeah, we boxing. Damn, yeah, I'm ring. Yeah, my wife, I'm all fucking ring. Cause you know, I will do anything to fucking get her. I will sing, I will sing. Yeah, and they will hate, they will motherfucking hate. Yeah, my niggas skate, take care, participate. Participate in the fucking hate. Participation leads to determination, just wait. Determination, you know that we really know our fate. We finna get this shit in, that is no debate. Every single morning, yeah, bright dreams await. Me and my niggas dream of being so great. We gonna get this shit regardless of hate. You know that we was born to motherfucking skateboard to move. Nothing can just hop on the groove. When you're on the road, it's feeling so smooth. And me and my niggas, even if we're all alone, we's gonna get this, get the throne.